I mean, how many times have I wrote on a tag and I couldn't even get the whole name of the person or even writing a little tiny message? So what's nice is this tag is a good size. I mean, you can see compared to my hand, that's a fairly large gift tag. Hi Steppers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to make my December thank you notes, and they're a gift tag, so you can repurpose them for your Christmas presents this year. So this one is the Christmas tree. This one says, with love for you. And then we have the presents, Merry Christmas. The ornament, Merry Christmas. And then the little bunch of holly, with love for you. And then we have a cardinal, which is 'tis the season. And then a little stocking. So hopefully you guys are seeing the gold accents on these gift tags, because normally I add shimmer paint or the Wink of Stella or even some dazzling diamonds, but this has got the gold accent with the foil and it's so pretty. Okay, so the two items come separately, and the project kit is actually on sale right now. So if you click the description down below, it will take you to a link to the Tag Buffet project kit, and this is what it looks like. You get everything to make your tags, and there's 30 tags, 5 of each of the 6 gift tags, and I've already got one open and divvied up. But you get the tags, the designer paper with the second layer, as well as the die cuts with the stockings, the presents, and all that. And then you even get the twine. Okay, the only thing that you're going to need extra would be the Tag Buffet stamp set, but you could use any greetings that you have. You don't need this stamp set to actually make or complete the tags, okay? And then also in your kit, you're going to get your brochure that shows you how to assemble your tags, which there are pictures, and they're very, very simple, which is awesome, because we got to make quick tags. And then another thing that I loved about this kit this year was because the tags were so large. I mean, how many times have I wrote on a tag and I couldn't even get the whole name of the person or even writing a little tiny message? So what's nice is this tag is a good size. I mean, you can see compared to my hand, that's a fairly large gift tag. So I love that. All right, so let's go ahead and make a couple of these tags. I'm going to show you how simple they go together. So what I did ahead of time is I put, like I did this for a class with my team when they came for the Glitter Queens retreat in August. So I put all the consumable stuff that goes to one of the tags in each of the clear envelopes, just to kind of divvy it out. But you won't have to do this when you're building your kit. But I just wanted to explain why everything's in clear envelopes. Okay, so I have a little banner that I'm going to stamp the greeting on. Then I have my die cut with the presents, and then your 2 pieces of your, I guess, designer paper, right? So your tags, and then one's going to layer on top of the other, and then they're just going to hang together attached with the twine, which is this twine, and we're going to cut this at 12 inches. So let me grab my ruler. So we're just going to cut 12 inches of the twine. You could do this in assembly line process. You can cut all your twine, and then somebody could actually punch out all the die cuts. They could assemble them. I mean, it's so easy. It's just a matter of minutes. You'll have 30 tags done in a jiff. Then you're also going to need 2 ink colors. Well, I'm using 2. You could also use the other color, which I think is shaded spruce, but I went with the traditional color. So I went with the real red and the garden green. And then the 3 colors, which is the real red, garden green, and the shaded spruce, are also in the color scheme of the tags. Okay, so any 2 colors that you choose will be great. Even if you did a basic black or an early espresso, it'll look really great. And I'm going to go ahead and stamp my banner. And this one, I believe, is going to be for Merry Christmas. But once again, you have your diagram, right, on your brochure that you could follow. So I'm just going to go ahead and line this up and stamp that Merry Christmas right onto that tag. Now, another thing that I recommend that you don't absolutely have to have, but it makes the project more 3D, is the Stampin' Dimensionals. So what I'll do is I'll just put 2 dimensionals on the back of the tag. You could actually just use one if you wanted. And then this is going to go across the present. Just like that. Okay. And then we're going to pop the presents up onto the white tag with the stars. And they're actually punched out. Can you see that? So cute. All right, and we're just going to center that onto the tag. And then it's just a matter of taking our twine, and I'm going to fold it in half. And take your 2 layers. And then this is the little loop where you folded it in half. And then once you feed that through, then you have your little loop, and then you're just going to feed your other side through that. And then that makes your little tag. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. Okay, so let's do another one. Let's do the stocking this time. I'm going to use the real red for this color. I'm going to stamp the greeting onto this banner. With love for you. Okay. Once again, I'm bringing in my dimensionals. This onto my stocking right there. Just going to pop that stocking up on another dimensional. And then this one also gets the star background, but you can intermix them however you want. Okay, and then we're going to take our twine. Once again, fold it in half. And I like twisting it just to be able to feed that through the punch out of the circles here. Layer those together. And feed that through. Just like that. Isn't that cute? And then you could write your message. You could even use the tag buffet for another greeting. May the good times of today become cherished memories of tomorrow. Wishing you lots of love, joy, and happiness on the back. And then also there's a to and from there too. So you could stamp that to and from on the back side. So cute. So for every order that's placed during the month of December, we'll get a Christmas tag using the Tag Buffet stamp set and the kit. So let me bring in the other ones. So here's the Christmas tree, the cardinal, the holly, and then the Christmas ornament. So pretty. Aren't they beautiful? All right, so if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll have all the items listed down below. Then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.